Peace to His house. Welcome to our channel, Deliverance, Daily Deliverance, your daily source of deliverance through Catholic prayers and healing prayers, deliverance prayers, in pursuit of holiness. So, January 21, Book of Saints, Saint Agnes. Saint Agnes, Virgin and Martyr, 292 to 304. Saint Agnes, whose name means lamb, was a beautiful Roman girl who refused marriage because of her dedication to Christ. She answered her suitors that she had consecrated her virginity to a heavenly spouse who could not be seen by mortal eyes. Those young men, finding her resolution unwavering, accused her of being a Christian. In 304, at the age of 12, she was brought before a judge and remained unshaken. By either his kindness or threats. When fires and instruments of torture were placed before her eyes, she resisted with courage and faith. She was sent to a house of prostitution, but the young man who ventured to touch her lost his sight. Shortly thereafter, she was beheaded and buried in the catacombs on the Nomentana Way, where in 350 a church was built in her honor. Before her execution, she said, "You may stain your sword with my blood, but you will never be able to profane my body, which is consecrated to Christ." Every January 21, 2 lambs are blessed at the Church of Saint Agnes in Rome. Their wool is then woven into pallia that on the vigil of the feast of Saints Peter and Paul are laid upon the main altar in Saint Peter's Basilica. These pallia are given to the archbishops as a token to their jurisdiction and pastoral service, which they derive from Saint Peter and his successors. Let's offer a prayer to Saint Agnes. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Ave Maria, gratia plena, Dominus tecum, benedicta cum mulieribus et benedictus fructus ventris tui, Jesus. Sancta Maria, Mater Dei, et nobis peccatoribus, nunc in horam nostrae. Amen. Gloria Patri et Filii et Spiritui Sanctus, sic ut erat in principio et nunc et semper et in saecula saeculorum. Amen.